For example, if a Muslim woman wears a hijab, she's targeted. On the same hand, we find nuns when they wear a similar type of dress covering the complete body except the face and hands up to the wrist. The people, they respect them. Why? Why the difference? If a Muslim keeps a beard, it's an indication of a terrorist. The Sikhs, they keep the beard, there's no problem. They wear the turban, there's no problem. And when I went to Canada the first time in the 90s, there's an article that the Sikh, he fought for his right, that he was a Canadian. He fought for his right that he will not remove his turban in the Canadian army, and he won the case. Last month an article came that a Sikh, he objected in the court of law of Britain that he will not take out his turban in the college, and they won the case. Here we find that a person who keeps a beard, people feel that, I don't know what harm can a beard do. And that happened even in Madras. I came along with some of my colleagues, and we came to the hotel yesterday. And my colleagues, even they have a beard and they wear a cap. So there were some police who started following and started questioning, just because of the beard and the cap. What harm can a beard do? It can't even harm a fly. What harm can a cap do? Fine, if somebody is carrying a gun and you question him, it's fine. If somebody is carrying certain things where you find suspicion, it's fine. Imagine a beard, it can't even harm a fly. And you analyze all the saintly people of most of the religion, they had beard. Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, supposed to be the messenger of Islam, and even considered as, by the Christians, inverted commas, as God, he had a beard. All the sons and sadhus, they have a beard. All the religious personalities, almost all, if not all, if you analyze in the religion, if you see on the higher level, they have beard. So what's the problem in a beard? There's no problem at all. So this is the hype of the media. It is the hype of the media. It is selectively targeting. So because of this, you find the scenario today that there is a misconception about Islam. And I blame the Muslims also, that we aren't actually conveying the message of truth to them. We aren't doing our job.